Hey, today is November 6th, Saturday, about 1 o'clock. Just finished giving my 1986 RG 500 Walter Wolf its first bath in quite some time. I've owned this bike for the better part of 10 years. I believe it to be the last RG 500 that Rick Lance found, modified, and worked on before his untimely passing. But please don't beat me up if that's not the case, but that was my understanding. So Rick found this for me in an airplane hangar, been sitting there for 15 years, and I bought it from the owner, had it shipped to Rick's house, as I said, a better part of 10 years ago, and did everything. It's got a 555 motor in it, board carburetors, his updated bodywork, suspension, ride height adjustment. This was a proprietary exhaust also, that as far as I know was the last exhaust system he designed before his death, and I think it was the one-off for this bike for me. We were going to go with stainless steel, but then decided to go in a different direction. So it's got the suspension updates with compression in one, rebound in the other. If you recognize these were the hydro-dipped carbon type side view mirrors that were on Rick's Pepsi bike that he gave to me when he built this bike for me. It has the original tires on it when I got them from Rick, which are Pilot Powers. I've put about 2,000 miles on it in 10 years. I've done a few other doodads and knickknacks to it. I had the seat redone with a different cover. It's got a new fuel petcock. I also redid the gauges myself, and they've been updated to miles per hour on the displays. You can see they got nice Walter Wolf emblems in there. Those can be easily removed back to the original white gauges which are underneath it. I do have a new choke lever. I just haven't installed it, obviously. It's got the updated radiator. It's got the supplemental fuel petcocks. The updated calipers, wheels, underbrace swing arm. This is going to be going up for sale soon. And probably later on today or tomorrow I'll do a startup. It runs absolutely perfect. I actually restored all 4 of the carburetors. They look absolutely spectacular. There's no aging on them. There's no patina on them. They're right back to factory color. All new internals, including Mark Dent's supplemental internal flow valves, which I like a little bit better than the ones Rick offered. I think they flow a little bit better. But this used to have Rick's internal supplemental flow valves on them. It's got all the internal upgrades on the clutch, the suspension upgrade that he offered. And you know, who can ever say something is perfect, but it's in beautiful shape. It really is. Hope you enjoy it.